Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this 2014 Mercedes SLK today, and we have upgraded its multimedia unit system. From factory car came with this NTG 4.5, 4.7, and you can see this is the OEM unit, OEM navigation and OEM radio unit. So we have upgraded its NTG system for CarPlay, Android Auto, both works wireless. So first of all, we will press this button for 3 seconds, these back buttons, to shift to the Apple CarPlay Android Auto menu. So this button we will hold for 3 seconds. Then here, as you can see, we have shifted back to Apple CarPlay menu. In the CarPlay menu we have this first of all split screen. In the split screen we have navigation on one side. You can do it like full screen navigation as well, plus on this side you have like music. Right now it's not playing, so we will do it full screen. You can see we have 3D options, we have normal ones, we can zoom in, zoom out, we can do pretty much anything you want to do. So this changes with day and night effect as well. So you can see right now it's in day mode. If we will zoom this inside, so we will get the 3D view. On going back, so here is the main menu of Apple CarPlay. So right now my iPhone is connected. So first of all, in my iPhone I have phone, I have maps. This is the Apple original map. Then we have messages, iMessages, and I have now playing. This is the Apple Music. Then I have Mercedes logo. This is for going back to the main menu. Then we have podcast, audiobooks, calendar. We have settings. We have some WhatsApp application, Waze, Zoom. So for example, we have this another navigation that's called Waze. So if you are using Waze or you are using Google Map, you can download it on your mobile phone and you will get this function directly on your screen or on your Apple CarPlay menu like this. So here I have pressed to the home button, so it has directed to the home navigation settings. So here we have some saved places like this. Then we have to go back in the settings, we can change some backgrounds and wallpapers, these kind of things. Here we have different wallpapers. So then we will go back to the main menu. In the main menu of CarPlay we have this Mercedes icon that I have told you earlier. So we will go back to the CarPlay box interface menu with this button. But if you have more applications installed on your mobile phone and they support Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can use them in the Apple CarPlay menu. We will tap on the Mercedes. So here we have the home menu of this box. In the box, first of all, we have music. In the music you can use this USB we have installed on the right side. So you can use a USB to listen music, same like on your mobile phone. On OEM system we have the music here as well. We have the CarPlay that I have shown you earlier. We have the Android Auto. Right now I don't have any Android mobile phone with me, so you can connect this Android Auto as well. This is completely wireless. Then we have mirroring. This is the AirPlay function. I can show you how this AirPlay works. I have to just turn this off. So in my phone I will go to the first CarPlay. I will turn off the CarPlay. Then we will go to the mirroring option. It's still saying CarPlay is connected. Now I have turned off. So you have options for like Android or the iPhone. So I will choose the iPhone. On turning on the Wi-Fi on my phone, here is the Wi-Fi. So here is the CarPlay and AirPlay function. So we will go for the AirPlay that we are using the AirPlay. The password is written here below. So sometimes it can be different on your mobile phone or your box. So here I am joining this. After connecting to the AirPlay, so you can see on my iPhone it's connected. I will just tap here the like this mirroring function, and from here in the mirroring I will tap one time. So here you can see my phone is connected on the display like this. If I have anything on my mobile phone, it will appear like this. I can use anything. I can use Google Play, like YouTube directly. I can use Netflix, Spotify, anything I can use directly on the on my phone as well. So here you can see, for example, we will choose the YouTube, and for example we play something in the YouTube, like for example we do like this. There is a video, we will do full screen. So I have opened the portrait, I have closed the portrait function. So you can see this full screen menu. It's completely HD, same like on your mobile phone. So you can see I have here and here as well. So that's the video that I'm watching from my mobile phone, from YouTube directly. So here I have some other applications which supports landscape mode, that will appear directly on the screen with landscape. Otherwise it will show like the portrait. So if I will turn this feature off, stop mirroring, so it comes on the home menu again. We have Bluetooth. Here we have another feature for video. I can watch video as well with the USB I have installed here. So you can see this is the USB that I have placed here. In the video I can watch any kind of video while driving. Then we have some settings. In the settings we have like reverse camera setting, reverse conditions, display, sound, languages. You can connect the back camera as well with this module. It's very easy. Like here you can see we have the sensors on the right side, right corner, and the camera on the middle. But from factory the car has no camera, so the customer has not asked for the camera, so we will use it for the OEM settings, for like original settings. Here right now it's in original camera option, so it will not go to the aftermarket camera setting. So you can connect any camera with this. Front camera is also possible with this module. Here we have the front view mirror, front view option, so you can watch any kind of a front side as well. You can place a camera anywhere in the car and you can view from the front side or all the time. So that's the video, that's the car for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the description below. I will provide all the necessary contact information. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.